Hello everyone, myself Trupti. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you India's popular sweet dish, Kaju Katli. Kaju Katli is one of my favorite too. Today I'm going to show you a very easy version which you can actually make it at home and enjoy that. So without wasting time, let's get started. 250 gram cashews, 1/3 cup milk powder, some ghee, cardamom and saffron, 1 cup sugar, half a cup water. So let's get started. First we have to grind a fine powder of cashews. We will blend cashews in a mixer grinder. Grind batch wise. We'll put half cashews. Until do a pulse and blend. Blending is done. We'll transfer all cashews for sieving. We have to sieve this. Sifting is done now. It's nice and smooth. Now we have to add 1/3 cup milk powder. Mix this nicely. Now we have to keep it aside and we'll make a sugar syrup. Keep medium flame. Put half cup water, 1 cup sugar. Mix that. Once sugar melt, we have to add cashew mixture. Keep medium flame. We'll cook this around 10 to 15 minutes. Mixture is nice and thick. We'll add cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix now. Transfer this mixture on butter paper. You have to continuously mix this until it forms a nice dough. Now we will roll. Roll as thin as you want. Now allow them to cool down. After 1 hour, we are going to put some saffron. We'll apply little ghee. We'll put silver work. We'll roll on it. We'll allow them to cool down again and we'll cut Kaju Katli later. Grease little bit ghee on knife. I hope you like my Kaju Katli recipe. Do try in this Diwali. With the very few ingredients, you can make a very delicious Kaju Katli. If you like my recipe, please like and share. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, take care and bye bye. And Happy Diwali to everyone.